Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshna. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's project, I'm gonna make Golu steps. Personally, I feel like setting up Golu steps is a lot of work. So in today's idea or my project, I'm gonna share something that you can set up super easy and you can reuse it. It's detachable and you can easily store it. I hope you guys get some ideas to make these minimalistic Golu steps, and it's super easy. You can trust me on this. The project for me, it costed less than $15. Yes, you heard me right. It's less than $15. And every time you want to set these Golu steps, you can set them up in less than 5 minutes. Okay, you can trust me on this. A lot of people comment below the video and say, hey Vishnu, it's not like 5 minutes you can set it up. My intention is initially when you create the project, it would take some time, like couple of hours to make that project. But once you want to reuse it for the next time, you can set it up in less than 5 minutes. That's what I mean when I say we can set it up in less than 5 minutes. So absolutely, when I make these Golu steps for the initial project, it would take a couple of hours. And if I want to use it for the next time, honestly, trust me, I can set this up in less than 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please do comment below. I would love to read all your comments and suggestions. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It gives me inspiration to come up with more new ideas. Now, without any delay, let's get started on how to make this DIY Golu steps. I am using some wood blocks that I got from Home Depot. So basically these are like 10 feet wide wood blocks, unfinished wood blocks. So I got them cut at store for 2 feet in height, and these are like 2 inches in width. So how do we arrange these Golu steps? It's super easy. I'm just stacking these wood blocks. Like here there are 4 wood blocks. I just stack them on top, and then here there are 3, 2 and 1. My steps are ready. So the first step is to sand these 4 wood steps. I'm gonna sand them down so that we don't have any rough edges and it's easy to paint. These are not finished wood, so we have to do a little bit of sanding, and I'm gonna sand these wood blocks. You don't need to sand all the wood blocks. We just need to sand 4 steps. Like you can see, only 4 steps are visible. So I'm gonna sand 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 wood blocks, and create my style of design on top of these steps. And that's it. You don't even need to paint these inner wood blocks that are for the support, because they are not anyhow visible. So I'm done sanding the 4 wood blocks, the ones which are visible on the Golu steps. Now I'm gonna create 2 designs. Basically you can see this is on the top and this is the front view. So I'm gonna color it in like blue or red, and then I'm gonna just turn it around and create a different color here. So basically if you want to use 2 colors, you can use 2 colors. If you want to use single color, you can use single color. If you want to change it in a different color, absolutely, these steps are multi-purpose. You can just use it with multiple colors. And suppose if you're bored of using these 4-step colors, you just switch them with the back ones. Just create different design and use these as the front steps and hide these in the back. That's why I'm so excited about this project. There are like number of ways to decorate these Golu steps. So for this project, I'm creating very minimal artistic design on top of these. But if you say, hey Vishnu, it's too much work to create the design, I would always suggest to use a stencil from any craft store and create that design on top of the steps, and you're ready to go use the Golu steps and create that beautiful Golu steps for your festive decor. I'm gonna paint red on these 2 sides, here and here. Just turn it around and add 1 more color. I'm gonna do blue color here and here. Here is a tip. Before painting the wood block, I have added some painted tape to the other corners so that when I'm painting red here, it won't spread to the other sides. So just to secure the corners and the color won't spread across. I added painted tape to the corner as well so that these corners I'm gonna paint one unique color, which will be gold color, so that when we flip, we doesn't need to have that corners look different like in red or blue. So this one I'm gonna just paint in gold for all the wood bases, so that it looks unique when we are looking from the side. I finished painting red on one side and blue on other side. Similarly, I painted all the wood blocks. Using a ruler and pencil, I'm gonna create the design on top of the wood base. First, I'm gonna draw the lines to the corners. You can absolutely use paint pen to draw the design on top of this, but if you plan to use paint and if you want to create straight lines, here is a tip. Use some painter's tape and create the borders like this. So here I just created the small border. If you can see, I have two painter's tape in the corner, and wherever I had my line, I have the opening. So now I'm gonna just paint it across and remove the painter's tape, and we will have our straight line. I have filled up my brush with some paint, so I'm gonna gently just fill in the gap. Let the paint dry completely before we remove the painter's tape. I'm using some white paint and dotting tools to create dots across this line. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can absolutely use a hairpin to create these dots. To create the next design, I'm adding some dots which are away from the line, little bit far away compared to these ones, and then later drag them and connect them to the line. So basically I'm trying to create number 9 in a circular shape. Now using a toothpick, I'm just gonna connect these dots to this line in a curvy shape, basically creating a number 9 in a curved shape. Just twist it a bit like this and then connect it. Just twist and connect. The number 9 design with dots is all ready. I just added some more dots here. So basically this is where we will place our idols. So I did not want to add a lot of design here because anyhow it would get covered with the idols. So simply added dots so that when we add the idols, it would pop out, the design would look nice, simple and elegant. To create the design on the side, I added 2 lines here. So basically I used the same technique using painter's tape to add the lines. I had a leak here, but that's okay. We can easily cover them up once we finish all the design with extra paint. I am using 1/4 inch dotting tool here to create dots on top, basically creating dots here on the top line, which will be 1 centimeters apart. Always hold your dotting tool in a perpendicular position to get the dots right. In between these 2 dots, I am creating a square design. For some color contrast, here I am filling these square boxes with yellow color. This is how the side corners would look with the design in yellow, white and blue. I have created similar design on the top side for the red color as well, and to the corners I just created, instead of squares, I just created a water drop style of design with gold paint. I finished the design by adding some more dots. Here is a quick look of the completed design on one step. I have red and gold design here, and I'm just gonna flip it and it's blue and yellow. Final step, I'm gonna add some clear gloss to these steps before I start assembling all the steps and decoration. Hey guys, here is the big reveal of my Bommala Koluvu. I added some beautiful mini dolls and idols that I have at home and arranged them in a Koluvu. Here I used red color for initial steps. I just wanted to show you guys how easy. If I want to change the color from red to blue, all I have to do is flip this step. Here I have new design for my Bommala Koluvu next time when I want to set this up. If I wanted to do mix and match, I can absolutely go with blue, red, or just do with all blue or all red. It looks beautiful, isn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this beautiful detachable and convertible Bommala Koluvu that I made and got some ideas for your DIY. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching. It's time for Diwali giveaway. To enter in today's Diwali giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, comment below this video to enter into the giveaway, and subscribe to my channel. More details on today's Diwali giveaway, please do check out video description and don't forget to enter.